Hello friends, welcome to Yara. Today we are going to see how you can use Yara AI Sales Agent with Wix.com. So let's just check it out. You need to go to yaraai.com and then you will see the try now button at the in the banner at the top. Just use that, write your email name and enter address, basic details, and it will send you an email with the login instruction and things like that. So you have the email. Click on the link and log into your IA Sales Agent backend. So we'll use the email and password that has been used earlier. And then once you log in, you need to enter the domain that you are using at Wix.com, right? So right now we are going to use the staging URL with the Wix.com. You can select your business name, your category, sub classification, things like that. The country, because it's gonna customize a little bit on your time zone and things like that. And you can also choose the AI agent that you need, male, female, and things like that, right? Once you're done, it's gonna go and ask you to enter on step two, which is where you need to enter, five different URLs. The free plan allows the five different URLs that it's gonna train on. So enter five different URLs, and then we will configure the lead form. So you have two options: HTML form, which collects name, email, and phone from potential visitors. When they come on your website, they will drop these details. So let's just save and click on next. We're happy with the basic detail that is there. And finally, you have the deploy, right? So we're gonna select the Wix as a drop-down option from the website platform, copy the JavaScript snippet, and then we're going to head towards to Wix Studio, select the site you are having, go to settings, and we'll find the tab, footer or body tag where we're going to paste the JavaScript snippet. It's a piece of code that stays on your website, and that's how it enables the AI agent on all whole of your website, right? So we're gonna paste it in the custom code section, the script in the body tag, and we're gonna select all pages. Um, Body end is where we're gonna place the JavaScript snippet and just apply it, right? And then we'll check whether it's so click on the test button and you will see the AI agent is deployed. The green tick shows that it's deployed successfully. So we have completed a four-step process. Now go to front end of the website, click on the AI agent. We have it in the front end of site. So we're gonna add the name, email, phone, and now we have the AI agent that is ready to communicate with your potential customers on your website. So it's gonna help you sell more on your website. So guys, give it a go. Sign up with Wix.com for AI sales agent called Yara. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.